Good evening to all. In this video, we will discuss third normal form. We understood that if we will convert our relation to third normal form, it must be first in second normal form and free from transitive functional dependency. Okay, the relation R is in third normal form. If it is in second normal form, no doubt. And another one, non-prime attribute A in R is transitively dependent on primary key. Okay, already we understood the transitive functional dependency. We need to check whether the relation has transitive functional dependency or not. If it has transitive functional dependency, we need to remove so that that second normal form relation is converted to the third normal form. Okay, what is the transitive dependency? If x arrow y arrow z, then x arrow z. If any functional dependency is there in any relation, then you can say that that relation has transitive functional dependency. Okay. Now we need to understand this third normal form, conversion of second normal form into third normal form with one example. See, first it must be in the second normal form and we need to identify transitive functional dependency and we need to remove the transitive functional dependency so that it will be converted into third normal form. We considered one example which is in second normal form and not in third normal form. Here A is a primary key. Okay, here primary key is one attribute. So then no need to check that it is in the second normal form. Anyhow, we will see one by one. See, first, whether it is in first normal form or not, you can check it. Each cell here it has a atomic value. Am I right? Atomic value. So definitely we can, so what we can say? We can say that it is in the first normal form. Whenever each cell has atomic value, then you can call it as a, in this table, each cell has atomic value. That means what happens? This particular table already in first normal form. Okay, then we understood that it must be free from partial functional dependency so that it is in the second normal form. Coming to partial functional dependency, partial functional dependency exists whenever left side you have two attributes, for example AB, two attributes, then there is a possibility of partial functional dependency. Suppose AB arrow C, then we need to check A arrow C and B arrow C. So if it is only one attribute, no need to check. Am I right? So what happens whenever there is a one attribute as a primary key, then this table already is in second normal form. Then we need to check whether it is in third normal form or not. For that, what we need to do? Here attributes are A, B, C. Then we need to check A arrow B, B arrow C and A arrow C. We need to check. Okay. Suppose C, A arrow B. We need to check. For A1, how many values are there? Only one value. B1 for A2, B2 for A3, B1 for A4, B2. So it holds function dependency. And check for B arrow C. B arrow C. For B1, how many values are there? Only one value, C1. For B2, C2. So it holds function dependency. So this is satisfied, this is also satisfied. Then we need to check A arrow C. For A1, how many values? Only one value, that is C1. For A2, C2. For A3, C1. For A4, C2. It also holds. That means what we can say? This relation has transitive functional dependency. Whenever any relation which is in second normal form and transitive functional dependency, then you can say that it is not in third normal form. Then how to convert it to third normal form? That means transitive functional dependency you need to remove. Then you can convert into third normal form. Okay. So what is the solution? Only one technique, that is decomposition technique, dividing that into two relations. So ABC, first you can take AB, here A is primary key, here also A is primary key, and BC, here B you have to make it as a primary key. For B, here see the values for AB, A1 B1, A2 B2, A3 B1, A4 B2. For BC, what happens? B1 C1, like the two tuples are there, so you can take B1 C1, B2 C2. So in the second table, here after division, suppose this is the first table, This second table. In second table, B is a primary key. In first table, A is a primary key. And in first table, attribute B is a foreign key that references to primary key of second table. Okay. Now we will check one thing. These two will combine and we will get original add-on. We will check A1, B1, C1, A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A2, B2, C2, A3, B1, C1, A3, B1, C1, A4, B2, C2. If you combine these two tables, again you are getting original table. That is nothing but a lossless join. Okay. So here what happens? From second normal form, we need to remove the transitive functional dependency. For that, we need to check transitive functional dependency is there or not. If it is not there, then you can say the relation is already in third normal form. If it is there, we need to remove that transitive functional dependency. Then you will convert into the third normal form. For that, what we have to do, we can decompose the table into two tables so that you can convert the decomposed relations into the third normal form. This is all about third normal form. Okay, thank you one and all.